How to sculpt your butt and legs in 10 days by just walking. Good news for the gym haters. Walking is a great workout that has a lot of health benefits for the body. It lowers obesity rates, it's good for your heart, and its help fight depression. Walking is gentle enough for people of all body types, so a person of any fitness level can enjoy it while shaping their body, especially their buttocks and legs combined together with a couple of simple exercises. It brings result in no time. The Body Health team loves walking too. That's why we decided to share with you our favorite simple yet very effective types of walks that will work wonders of anyone's body. First, power endurance walk. Power endurance is great for sculpting your legs and butt area. While practicing it, you will need to keep an intense pace for a long period of time without any change of speed. Before doing this, you need to find out what speed you can maintain during your power endurance walk. For most people, it is 3-4 miles per hour. Your walk should feel like you are about to jog, but it's still a fast walk. As soon as you find your suitable speed, walk for 60 minutes in the nearest park and try to cover 3-4 miles. Second, fartlek power walk. Fartlek means speed play in Swedish. It is continuous training with interval training. It's great for the beginner since it mixes walking and jogging. Here's how to perform it. Start by warming up your body by slowly jogging for 5 to 10 minutes. Then start to speed up for 0.9 to 1.6 miles. Now it's time for recovery. Fast walk for 5 minutes. Repeat these steps for about 25 minutes. Important. Try to make your running sessions as challenging as possible. It should make you breathe heavily. Third, heel repeats. For this practice, you will need a steep incline to work out your buttocks area and feel the burn. For better effectiveness, you will need to walk to the top without stopping for rest. To achieve this, try to find heel that is not too long. For example, 330 to 660 feet. After you reach the top, recover while slowly walking back down the hill. Do 10 to 12 climbs in total. Fourth, power lunge with leg lift. This exercise works out not only your butt but also your quads, hips, abs and arms. It is useful and easy to perform and you can practice it before or after your walks. While walking, lunge forward with your left leg. Make sure that both your knees are bent at 45 degrees. After you get used to 45 degrees, try to bend your knees at 90 degrees. This might take some time and practice. Clench your fist and keep your elbows at a 90-degree angle. Bring your right fist next to your nose, while your left fist is behind you. Straighten your left leg, then jump in the air and put your right knee up in front of you. Then bring your left leg forward into a lunge. Do 25 reps on each leg. 5. Skater stride. The skater stride is greater for your buttocks, quads, hips, obliques and triceps, and it can be performed while walking. Start taking large steps diagonally forward starting from your left foot. Make sure your toes point forward and not to the side. Lunge and bend your knees at a 45-degree angle while putting your right elbow toward your left knee. Swing the left arm straight back. Hold the position for a couple of seconds. Repeat the same with your right foot. Do 25 reps on each side. 6. High knee cross. The high knee cross work out your butt, calves, hips, quads and abdominal muscles. It can be performed before you walk as a warm-up or during your walk. Bend your left knee and lift it as high as possible neck to your torso, standing up on your right toes. Bring your right elbow to your bent knee. Stay like this for a couple of seconds. Go back and repeat on the other leg. Do 25 reps for each leg. Try to walk as much as possible. For example, 6 days per week of intensive training together with 1 day of rest. You will be able to see results in 8 weeks. To speed up the process, you can try to give up on transportation and try to walk to work or to your favorite stores. Also, you can add some simple exercise to your routine that can be done while performing your walks. This will let you tone your buttocks and body way faster. And you will see the first results starting from about day 10. Do you prefer walking over going to the gym? Maybe you have your own walking routine. Tell us about it and start a discussion in the comments section.